Here is a International S-Series uh, service truck made by First Gear. This is 125 scale. Um, Another, yet again, fully detailed model by First Gear. As you can see, it has steerable front wheels. Um, has, I want to say, mid to late 80s, beginning of the 90s, International front nose on there. Um, it has an opening hood, which is showing the, I can't remember if it was the 6.9 or 6.7 or 7.3 liter International diesel in it. But as you can see, it is one of the case service trucks. What I really like about this truck here is that all the boxes open up. As you can see, acetylene and oxygen for the cut and torch. Then in the second box, you've got your air hoses and your welding masks and everything like that. In your third box, you've got your toolbox. So all the boxes open on the utility bed. In the back of the truck, you can see your what would be like a Miller welding diesel. Then it has the operating crane, which turns and swivels for pulling the heavier pieces of the motor or whatever needed to be repaired on the machine. That way you're not doing it all by hand. More boxes yet on the other side for your cable winches and got fuel in there for machines that run out. There are more toolboxes that came with the truck I don't have out on display. I've left them in the box. This has a fully detailed cab. I don't know how well you will be able to see in there, but really nicely detailed dashboard. Has all the markings on it, and just a really nice truck by First Gear. I have to say, for the quality of this truck, I have to rate it really high. I have not seen any flaws with this truck. Everything seems to work the way it's supposed to, and the detail is great. As you can see, you got your engine, your transmission, your drive line, brake lines, your exhaust, your whole steering assembly here. Just overall a great machine, great piece of equipment made by First Gear. If you have any questions, please comment. Thank you.